red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color, yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids neither G. G for God, G for grapes, and again use yellow color, yellow color. Kids neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids neither L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use green color, green color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids neither S. S for sun, S for snake, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use red color, red color. W. W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers, and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of E. Kids now draw numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O N E 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color. Black color. T H R W E 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color. Blue color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes. And first draw square. The shape of square. And use red color. Red color. The shape of square. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle. And use black color. Black color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart. And use green color. Green color. Kids lastly draw Easter. The shape of Easter. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane and use red color. B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids night C. C for cat. C for car. Kids night D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids night E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids night G. G for goat. G for grapes. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of G. Kids night H. H for hand. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids night I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids night J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. And use green color. Green color. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids night M. M for moon. M for mango. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of M. Kids night N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids night O. O for orange. O for octopus. Kids night P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Yellow ochre color. Kids night Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Kids night R. R for rose. R for rice. And use red color. Red color. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use red color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids night U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids night W. W for wolf. W for watch. Kids night X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of X. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use black color. Kids night numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids night 3. And again use green color. T H RW 3. It's night 4. The numbers of 4 and use blue color F O U R 4. 5. The numbers of 5 F I V E 5. It's night 6. The numbers of 6 S I X 6. It's night 7. The numbers of 7 S E V E and 7. And again use blue color It's night 8. The numbers of 8 and use yellow ochre color E I T H T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. The numbers of 9 and INE 9. Kids night 10. The numbers of 10 and again use yellow ochre color T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A is for aeroplane. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for door. E is for egg. F is for fan. G is for guard. H is for helicopter. I is for ice. J is for joker. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for uncle. V is for violin. W is for wolf. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.